my name's Hadley. I work for ResMed as a manager in their R&T, research and technology team. I came to ResMed about 3 years ago. Before I did that, I worked for a world-class household product manufacturer in the UK. I also worked for a lighting company in London, so quite different jobs. And now, for the last 3 years, I've been here at ResMed. Lots of things make ResMed special, but the ones that stick out for me are there's a real willingness to try new stuff. So my boss is always saying to me, if you've got a better idea, just get on and do it. And I just love that. The other one is ResMed's really willing to invest in their people. I've not found that at another company that I've worked for. We actually have a learning centre here, so we spend a lot of time helping our staff get better at what they do. So that's pretty amazing. So the R&T bit stands for research and technology. So my team is focused on what product are we going to make next. So we're very futures focused. So we are interested in what new needs have emerged in the market and how we can make a product that facilitates that need. That's basically what you do with product development. And that means we do a lot of market research and a lot of talking to the people who buy our products. But then in the very long term, so over say 5 years time, we need to do a lot of strategy. So that's thinking about what new market trends will result in new product needs in 5 years time so that we can start making those products today. My team's awesome. So I've got about 15 or so people, and what I need out of those people is variety. So there's a whole mix. I've got some industrial designers. They'll be focused on the usability of a product and the way that it looks. Because when you look at a product, it gives all kind of emotional responses, how it makes you feel, what it looks like, how it is to wear. Then there's some mechanical engineers, so they're more focused on how am I going to make this thing work, how can I manufacture it, how much is it going to cost. And then more recently, we've got a digital element to research and technology. So a lot of the experience of using products nowadays is actually a digital experience. So those guys are focused on how can we make awesome digital experiences as well as kind of physical experiences. So when I'm looking for talent, I've got a 3-point list that I'm looking for. It's a bit of a tricky one, but I'm looking for ideas integrators. So the guys in my team have to be curious. So they need to be collecting lots and lots of different ideas and then seeing connections that other people don't see. So they might see a person on a train doing something they've never seen before. They might connect that with a manufacturer technology they saw at a factory a few months back, and they might put it together with a strategic presentation that they saw within ResMed last week. And then pulling those things together, they'll go, oh, there's an idea here for a new product. So ideas integrators. I'm looking for empathetic people, so people who can put themselves in someone else's shoes and imagine what life is like for them. That's really important when you're designing products. And the last one is people who are results oriented. Like, we have to make things and we have to make them to deadlines. So it's really important that, yes, you can go wide, but you can pull it together to make a finished product. You need to go to the ResMed website. So we have a great careers website, and you can either look to apply for my team, which is R&T, or look for any other jobs and teams that you might want to join.